Hello everybody, welcome back to KWT's Microsoft Outlook Basics course. Today we're going to be taking a look at some of the language related options within Outlook. Outlook offers more than 90 languages for Outlook on the Windows desktop. Mobile devices do not support all of these, but there's still a lot of choice for the bilinguals and the polyglots in our midst. The first category of language is in the editing section. So these are the languages supported in the content of your Outlook emails, calendar entries, and tasks. These are the languages that are used during spell check and grammar check and so on. If you write in multiple languages, you'll want to be sure that all the languages are loaded into your Outlook. A missing language will cause virtually every word in that language to be marked as a misspelling. So you want to make sure that these are set up ahead of time to save you that trouble down the road. You can add any language that you like as long as your hardware devices will support it. You simply click on the links in the options window to download, install, and enable the language. You can also specify a specific language for displaying of the Outlook commands, tabs, and ribbons. So this is your working language. You can even have a different language associated with your help text if that's what you desire. Now, I'm monolingual. I will have everything set to English, but there are some people who will find these type of features useful. For example, let's say somebody has a mother tongue of Finnish. They're working in an office in France, so most of their work is completed in French, but they're currently working on some English copy. So that person would want to make sure that English and French were both in their editing languages. This person would probably also like to have their display language to be in French because that matches the rest of the working environment. But they may choose to have the help language set to Finnish because that's their mother tongue and that's the language they're more comfortable with dealing with some complex help explanations. And something else to keep in mind is that, yes, French for France and French for Canada are two different languages. Similarly, English Canada and English US are actually different. Now, if you are in a corporate environment, you may find that you have to reach out to your IT department to get instructions or permissions to install multiple language packs for your Outlook. But if this is something you think you require, it's worth reaching out to them and getting that set up for yourself so that your use of Outlook will be more effective down the road. That's it for this module. We will see you the next time when we're going to take a look at spell checking and autocorrect features. That concludes this module.